But I was just flow side, even though they lost. She, yeah, I tried to top on that motherfucking band. Fuck on that hoe again and again. Ooh, yeah, the chopper gon' shoot at you. Ooh, yeah, make sure she blow like a flute. Ooh, yeah, water my damage. Show the right time, then go ahead, give me that bag. For top time, I'm on. Overseas time, you know that this ain't that. Yeah, Rockstar pins on me now. Yeah, get drip like that. Yeah, Rockstar pins in that.
What up, guys? We out here at Chris's workshop. You know the deal. We are getting his 250 done. His old 250, because he moved on to bigger and better things. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyways, we're rebuilding the KX 250. Shout out to my paisa homie. Blew it up with that chainsaw wheel. But yeah, here it is. As I was saying, he moved on to bigger and better things. That's right, boys. Jimmy. Electric start. Oh yeah, that's where we're at right now. Got the fucking cases off. Just put new bearings in. This is another motor. Other motors in the backyard, but yeah. Here's the new bearings. We got the whole bearing kit. We just put the bearings back in there, so it's pretty fucking lit. Alright guys, everything looks fucking good. We just put the rod in. It's pretty fucking straight. Look at that. That's right, boys. Shout out to that tool. Tusk, give us a sponsor for the next tools we get from you. You guys are putting in work. Next step. You know what that means? Woo! Let's go. You know it, boys. Got it all done. Look at that. Two prime. Yes, sir. Looking good. Yeah. My boy's getting it all together. Stop. We've been working on the motor for about 3-4 hours now. Almost there, boys. Look where we're at. Oh, fuck. But we're coming together. KX 250, you're coming alive. Alright, boys, as you can tell, that's normal on a stator, you know. Always a little rusty. But she's back in action. She's ready to rock. That's right, boys. Good shit. Shout out to my boy Chris, always coming through with the builds. That's for sure.
You guys are good, fool. You guys are fucking. Shit. You're almost there. You're cleaning, fool. Oh yeah, watch out. We just gotta clear the case. Oh, that plug's stuck there?
Yeah, we gotta go on the other side.
Turn on the pet car, let the car fill.
Looking good.
Yeah, hope it don't leak, huh?
Leaking. Oh, damn.